Okay, so hopefully you can see this. I'll push this down and you can see the gap. See how this is more square with a round edge, and this one here has a completely round edge. So I'm gonna have to slice it just like I did on the other side. Right about there. And what I'll do is I'll pull this piece out and this piece will come up, and then I'll fill the gap. Some of the other things I got to do is on this side, this is where this ended, this lip. So this just comes down straight on this side. But there's a couple of issues that I got to work on. Down here, I got to pull this piece out. I don't know if you can see that, but the differences in the edges, just like on the top, this one's more square with a round edge, and this is round. So I got to slice this, do the same thing on the front, like I'm going to do in the top. Pull this out, pull this up, fill the gap. So since I did the other side and it's all locked down, I can get all this right. And then once I get it ready and it's final fit, and I check all my measurements with my templates and my from here to the other side and all my points and measurements, and it looks like I get these angles right, I'll tack weld this side in, the other side in, and I'll do a video on that when I get to that point.